This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 39 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, TV, stovetop burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 360 FLS is 12,388 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.